Another statement we can say is رَضِيتُ بِاللَّهِ رَبَّا وَبِالْإِسْلَامِ دِينًا وَبِمُحَمَّدٍ رَسُولًا. That I am pleased with Allah as my Lord. I am pleased with Islam as my religion. I am pleased with Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam as messenger. And these words are very powerful. You see, things happen, painful things are part of life. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has already told us that we will surely, definitely test you. وَلَنَبْلُوَنَّكُمْ بِشَيْءٍ مِّنَ الْخَوْفِ, something of fear, right? You will experience fear. You will experience hunger. You will experience loss of wealth, loss of lives. These are things that are going to happen. Life is ever changing. So with every change, with every test, express your happiness with Allah. That, Ya Allah, I'm happy with you. I'm not upset with you. I accept your decree. رَضِيتُ بِاللَّهِ رَبَّا. You know what you have legislated. This is within your power. This happened by your permission. You don't make mistakes. You are not unjust. رَضِيتُ بِاللَّهِ رَبَّا. Say these words out loud sometimes. Say them to yourself so that you have contentment with what Allah has decreed. And when a person says these words, then really they're granted happiness with the decree of Allah also.